In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and move a page break. So over on our 07 Messenger print document, we're going to be on sheet 1. We're going to go to the View tab. We're going to go to Page Break Preview. And what this does is allows Excel to show us where the page breaks are going to happen. So if we scroll down, we're going to see a page break or a dotted line. This is an automatic page break between 47 and 48. We can take that, we can hover over this, and we can move it up. We're going to move it up to between 47 and 46. So move it up one line. And if we go to, we can go back to normal view. If we go to File, go to Print, we're going to see, hopefully on page 2, that picks up with Julia number 38. And our page break is right above that. And that's all you have to do to set your page breaks.